Welcome to Technically Explained. In this video, we are going to learn how to have this type of text effect in PowerPoint, where we have the image of, for example, pizza in the background of this text. And it looks very beautiful. So if you are an owner of a restaurant, you can do it to attract your customers. Now to how to do it, first of all, we need to have new slide and we need to change the layout of the slide to blank. After changing the layout to blank, I'm going to search on the internet and find a picture of a pizza. I have already a picture of pizza sorted out, so I'm going to find a snipping tool. I'm going to open my snipping tool and select the area of the pizza. For example, this pizza. And then I'm going to copy it and paste it in my presentation. After pasting it, let me change its size. So in the size and position tab, I am going to change its size. By default, the scale height and the scale width are 100%. So let me change it to, for example, 180%. So now I can also drag it to the side so that it covers the more of an area. When this done, I need to insert a shape. So I'm going to go in the insert tab. Let me close this format background. I'm going to go to the insert tab and insert a rectangular shape. In this insert shapes, where we go, we have a shapes here. I'm going to quickly insert a rectangular shape, and I'm going to select the rectangular shape in such a way that it covers the whole of the slide. Now the pizza picture is right behind this rectangular shape. Now what I need to do next is that I need to write the text. So again, I'm going to go to the insert option and I'm going to this time insert a text box. So I'm going to insert a text box here and let me write pizza over here. Let me write in capital letters so that it gives a better look. And then what I am going to do is that I am going to increase its size. So I am going to come in the home tab, and in the home tab I am going to increase its size. Let me increase its size. I think now we have a better size. So when we are satisfied with the size, we can go on to our next step, which is, let me change its outline as well, outline of this text as well. If I want to, I can change the outline of this text. In the format option, I can change the text fill and text outline. For example, I'm going to get the text fill to white so it's more visible. Now when this done, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on the text box, and in the format option I'm going to click on merge shape, and in the merge shape I'm going to click on combine. When I click on combine, you can have a look, we have a pizza appearing here, and I can also move the picture behind it to adjust the picture. When I'm satisfied with the picture, I can leave it, and then I can change the shape of this. I can change the color of this picture, of this shape. To change the color, simply we need to go to the format shape again. I can go here to the format shape, and I can also go here to the format shape, right click and format. So if you want to change the color to any other color, for example black, we can change this color to whatever color we want. I think this color was this color, not this, but this, I think. So you can change anyhow you can change the color to whatever color you like. And now if we can have a look, we have a beautiful type pizza type text effect here, where the image of pizza is right behind the text. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Technically Explained.